think about me every night before you go to sleep. I know you must be terrified of what you see in your dreams, but I'm here for you still. And if you don't think that I'm near, I'd still be right next to you, my dear. And the way you make me feel has the power to make the whole world stand still. Who's to say that love ain't real? And I know I'm not the perfect guy, but I think I'm doing alright. It doesn't matter what you thought of me then, or what you think of me now. We haven't always seen eye to eye, but right now I want you to look at mine. Don't be scared, no such thing as fear. When you sleep, just know that I'm here for you still.